Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down.
Hi V-Fam! Vanessa here. For today's video, ang itatry natin is yung everyday makeup look using powder and yung lip and cheek stain or tint na ginagamit nila. The lip and cheek stain, we're gonna be using Babe Tint. Tatry natin siya. Kung ano magiging itsura ko using just powder and itong lip and cheek tint ni Babe Tint from Babe Cosmetics. The ingredients is glycerin, aloe vera juice, butyl glycol flavor, and vitamin B5 in 10 ml. Open natin. Yan, sarado pa siya. Wear and Slay. I think this is in the shade of Flirt. For Babe Tint Lip and Cheek Stain, this is all natural and organic, intensely pigmented. So, itatry natin later ng konti muna. Kasi nga kapag pigmented, meaning nun yung color is makikita ka agad. Ganon yung ibig sabihin ng pigmented. Smudge proof, kiss proof, matte finish for only 150 pesos. And then, they have 2, 4, 6 shades. War Freak, It Girl, Socialite, Flirt, Dinner, Sassy Chic. So for this one, this is in the shade of Flirt. Yeah. I'll show you the... Yan yung mga swatches ng Babe Tint. So tatry natin yan for today. And for the powder, tatry kong gamitin itong ginagamit din to kapag nagbe-baking, yung sa under eye after concealer. Ito yung ginagamit. Bench Daily Spell Magic Powder. This has UV sunscreen and vitamin E for only 23 pesos. Madalas wala to, walang stocks kasi nga mabenta siya. Pero yan, ito try natin. So, we have like below 200 pesos for everyday look. Yan. Try natin. I think pwede to sa mga, ayan, in the shade of natural. Pwede to sa mga nag-school or dun sa mga limited yung budget. Especially ngayon, 'di ba, quarantine. Kahit sino during quarantine maghahanap ng much cheaper finds kahit in terms of makeup. So, try natin kung pwede ba siya yung pulbo lang and cheek tint. Pero feeling ko naman pwede. Hindi ko pa lang natatry. But, maybe starting today. So, yan. Yan yun in the shade of natural. Powder lang to. Parang ano lang to, high school days. Parang nawala yung oiliness nung area, nung T-zone. Pero yan, basically, yan yung itsura using powder. Yan. Open na natin ngayon tong Babe Tint. So, kukontian muna natin yung gamit. Ayan siya. Kita niyo ba? Oh. Sobrang pigmented niya. Try natin sa cheeks. I think hindi siya ideal for cheeks. Kasi nag-mark ka agad kahit sobrang bilis ko lang siyang ginanon pagkalagay ko. So, yan. Buburahin natin yun sa cheek. I think hindi siya nag-work okay sa cheek kasi nga madali siyang mag-stain. But sa lips, okay naman siya as lip tint. Medyo cherry yung smell. Yan. Basically, this is how it looks using powder and lip tint. For tipid makeup look, you can use powder and lip tint for everyday use, especially ngayong quarantine. So, that will do, I guess, especially naka-mask naman tayo every time we go out. For more beauty tips, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button.